A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in the English online class. Today, I am going to teach articles in English grammar. So, let's start the class with articles. At first, we see what are articles. Basically, articles are small words. They indicate items. They describe nouns. There are two kinds of articles. So, articles are small words such as the and a, which combine with noun to form a noun phrase. Articles typically specify grammatical definiteness of the noun phrase. So, there are two articles. A and an and the. So there are two articles, a and an and the. Now we see the definition of articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. Means an article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specified or not. So, for example, the boy, a bee, an apple. So, like these examples, so many are relates with a, an, and the articles. Now we see types of articles. There are two types of articles. First one, indefinite article. Second one, definite article. So, indefinite articles relates with a and an, and definite article relates with the. So, a and an are indefinite articles. They do not point to any particular person or thing. And the is a definite article and it is used before definite object. Now, indefinite articles relates to general things and definite article relates with specific things. So, the indefinite articles means a and an. So, the indefinite articles takes two forms. A is the word when it begin with a consonant. An is the word when it begins with a vowel. The indefinite articles indicates that a noun refers to general idea rather than a particular thing. Now, here we see about articles a and the. So, where we use a and an, we use a and an for one out of many. Basically, we can use a when the noun begins with a consonant. Means the indefinite articles only appears with singular nouns which begins with consonant sound. That are B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And for example, a bag, a cat, a pen, like that. There are a few exceptions to the general rule of using a before words that starts with consonants and an before words that begin with vowels. Means when the vowel U sounds like Y-O-U. For example, a university, a utensil. So here the vowel U sounds like U, Y-O-U. Now we just see about an. We use an when the noun begins with a vowel. Means we use an with singular nouns which begins with vowel sound a, e, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an umbrella, etc. We use an when the consonant H is silent. Means H is totally mute. And that time we can use an. For example, an hour, an honor, an honest, etc. Now we see the definite article, that is the. We can use the for a specific item. Means we use the definite article in front of a noun when we believe the reader knows exactly what we are referring to. Here I mean to say the is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, the umbrella in the bag, the cat in the tree, etc. Now we just understand that an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. A, an and the are called articles. A and are called indefinite articles. The is called definite articles. In this picture you can see the is used to refer to specific or particular noun. In previous picture I already told you, the is used to refer to specific or particular noun, and a or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. Now we see when and how to use a and an. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a lamp, a cat, etc. We used an before words that begin with vowel sound, like an apple, an eraser, an umbrella, etc. A and should agree with the first sound is the adjectives or the adjective combination which stands before a noun. For example, an old man, a golden necklace, a pretty girl, etc. Use a before words, letters, numbers which sounds like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. For example, a university, a one, etc. Use an before words, letters, numbers which sounds like they starts with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant, like an R, an F, an 8, etc. So now we understand that A is used before beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a bird. A is used before a singular noun beginning. For example, a book, a school, a dog, etc. A is used even before vowels letters which don't have vowel sound. For example, a European, a unit, a union, etc. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, and comes before the noun. So for example, an umbrella, an owl, an image, an hour, an enemy, an author, etc. Now we see the difference between A and an. A and an have the same meaning. A and an are indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound. It depends upon on the sound at the beginning of the next word. So when the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use A. A book, a frog, a car, a lemon, a dog, a truck, etc. But when the next word starts with a vowel sound, and that time we just use an apple, an orange, an egg, an umbrella, an insect, an actor, etc. Be careful. What? The sound of the letter is important. Always remember the sound of the letter is always important. A house, but an hour. H at the beginning of R is silent. An uncle, but a university. The U at the beginning of university sounds like YOU. This rule applies to all words after a or an, including adjectives, adverbs. A cold day, a very crazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class. But always remember that we do not use a and an before plural nouns. We do not use a and an uncountable nouns. We do not use a and an before the names of meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. We do not use a and an the names of people. We do not use a and an before the names of material nouns like gold, silver, etc. We do not use a and an before the names of continents, countries, states, cities and towns. Now we just see the definite article the. So the definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. So the is used before the adjectives in the superlative degree. So here we see when we use the. We use the after you have talked about it the first time. For example, this is a dog. The dog is brown. So here we can use the after we have talked about it in the first time. We use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. So here we can use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking, what's the matter. So here see the example, I am going to the bank. There is someone knocking at the door. It must be the computer repairman. So here we can use the and we know the person about we are talking. See the next. We use the when you talk about general places in nature like the lake, the mountains, the ocean, the beach, etc. So we can use the with general places like lake, mountains, the oceans, the beach, etc. So for example, let's go to the beach. I love to camp in the mountains, etc. We can use the when you are talking about something that there is only one of and everyone knows about it. the sky, the earth, the stars as a group. So, we can use when we are talking about something that there is only one of the and everyone knows about it. For example, how many peoples are there on the earth? The sky is so beautiful today, etc. So now we understand the is used before unique objects. For example, the sun, the sky, the moon. The is used before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. For example, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific, etc. The is used before the names of books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, etc. But we do not use the before means of transport and regular places. We do not use the before the names of games like cricket, football, etc. We do not use the before material nouns. We do not use the before plural nouns and uncountable nouns. We do not use the before the names of days, months, languages and subjects. We do not use the before the names of continent, most countries, states, cities and towns, planets. We do not use the names of people. We do not use the before the names of meals and diseases. So now through this lesson it's clear that about articles. So now we know that a, an and the are articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is definite articles. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. We do not use before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sounds, a comes before the noun. For example, a cat, a house, a bird, a bike, a child, a boy, etc. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, an comes before the noun. For example, an apple, an hour, an egg, an aunt, an ant, an old man, etc. And we use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. So for example, the earth, the world, the air, the moon, the president, the CEO, etc. So this is the end of the topic articles. I hope you all are understand this lesson. So my dear children, you all learn this lesson thoroughly at home. Thank you and have a great day.